Portions of Colorado and Company contain paid content. Products and services featured are not endorsed by Colorado and Company.
Well, it's no secret, first today, back to school season is upon us, and hopefully you've gathered up all the school supplies that your students need. But maybe you've thought about some must-have items that aren't always on the school list. So thrilled to have lifestyle and gift expert Lynn Becker back in the studio. It's nice to see you.
I love Denver, Colorado. Thank you for having me.
Well, you always bring the best stuff for us, too, at really affordable prices.
Yeah.
What are we going to start with today?
We're going to start with the most important meal of the day. New research confirms what we already know. Breakfast is your family's most important meal of the day. You want to get them off on the right start with the Vi Crunch Protein Super Cereal. This is new from Visalis. They are the makers of the Vi-Shape Meal Replacement Shake. You might have heard of that. Vi Crunch is delicious. It's all natural. It's packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and more. Here's the kicker. There's very little sugar per serving. There's only 3 grams per serving. And you can add in the Vi Crunch Fusions as well. You just touch the chocolate macadamia granola.
Well, and I like this because you could take this to work, pop it open, add hot water, and you're ready to go. I like that.
Or you've got the berry mix down in the front, and you can add them to cereal, yogurt, other foods as a nutritious snack. You can find all of these products for order online at vicrunch.com.
Great deal.
Okay, you know you've got to send them off with a great lunch, but it has to be packed the right way.
This one right here, my boys would freak out about. School starts next week, and how cool is Star Wars?
Oh, yeah. These are all Thermos brand reusable lunch kits and funtainers, and they're great for packing a healthy and eco-friendly lunch that'll keep your food fresh and cool. The kids are going to love the colors and characters. I discovered this just the other day.
What, on Star Wars?
It makes a little...
Oh, my gosh.
It's interactive. I love it. I mean, what kid is not going to love that? There's also Monsters University, Superman, Hello Kitty, Barbie. I love the fire truck as well. You've just got a myriad of choices. They're all BPA free. They're easy to clean. And Thermos brand is available pretty much everywhere. Target, Walmart, Toys R Us. You can shop online at shopthermos.com or at amazon.com.
And it's just cool to have a thermos, too. I mean, it's so much better than drinking out of a milk carton at school. You just feel cool, you know? That's great.
You cannot go back to school without the correct writing instruments. Pilot Pen is an amazing company, and they encourage kids to express their best ideas with quality, smooth writing instruments. This is the new Friction Clicker, and it is the first retractable gel pen that's erasable. And I mean, it really, really erases. This is a fantastic little pen. Words disappear without any smearing or tearing of the paper. I don't know if you remember years and years ago, there were some erasable pens that really tore the paper up. This is a whole new revolution. Then down in the middle, we've got the G2 pens. They write twice as long as other gel brands. And now they come in fashion versions as well. So you can choose from whatever design and color you want. And then maybe the coolest one on the table is the B2P pens, and they are made from 89% recycled water bottles.
Oh, nice.
It takes 2 water bottles to make 1 pen, and it actually does look like a water bottle.
Oh, it does. Look at that.
Isn't it cute? I love it. I absolutely love it. And you can get more creative ideas like these at their website. It's called Power to the Pen. What a great website.
Yeah, powertothepen.com. Sounds good. Okay, what's next?
I want to introduce you to a company that you are going to start hearing a lot about. This is called Zing Revolution, and they have come up with a way that you can both protect and personalize your smartphones, your tablets, and all your electronic gadgets with thousands, I mean thousands of pop culture images, and you get them all at zingrevolution.com. They created the Zing for Life plan, which gives you a hard rubber clear case and a skin of your choice, and then of course you can choose other skins at a separate price as well, but they're collectible. We're talking about One Direction, Taylor Swift, Despicable Me 2.
Oh yeah, that's the hot thing in my family.
Floyd, The Big Bang Theory, Game of Thrones. And what is super, super great is the skins are really easy to remove, and they don't leave any kind of sticky residue.
Oh, cool.
So you can switch and swap them out however you want. Kids just love them. Just
How do you get them?
You go to zingrevolution.com, or you can find them at amazon.com. Really cool stuff. And last but not least, moms are really good at organizing and getting everybody ready and out the door, but then you forget about yourself.
Yes, and the important meal.
That's
First
right.
meal of the day, yeah.
So I found something for the moms. This is Mrs. Freshley's fruit cereal bars. They're low in fat, and I'm talking 2 grams per bar.
Really?
2 grams of fat, and they're delicious. They're made with whole grain oats. They have a soft golden baked crust. Delicious fruit fillings, including strawberry, apple cinnamon. My favorite is blueberry, and I really want you to try one of these after.
Okay.
Mrs. Freshley's award-winning snack cakes and breakfast goods. You get them here in the Denver area at your local Dollar Tree and Alco stores.
Oh, so they're affordable.
Yeah, they're right in my budget.
That.
For more information, you can find them online at mrsfreshleys.com.
Those are great because you can throw them in your purse or in the car, and as a mom, you always have something not just for yourself, but for the kids, because they're constantly saying, I'm hungry, and you hand it back, so
and
that's healthy for the
good
family.
Too. Delicious and good for you. Okay, and last but not least, if you're online looking for some of these things today, check out giveawaynow.com. You may actually win some of the things we've seen today.
Oh, nice.
And if you're looking for more tips and advice on back-to-school items, you can follow me on Twitter at AskLynnBecker.
Oh, you're on Twitter. Okay, I'm going to follow you today, and we'll tweet about some of these great things. We have to take a picture of the mini-me's and tweet that out, because that is so popular with the kids. My son's in 5th grade right now, and he just loves that movie, Despicable 2. Really good. Thank you very much for coming on the show. Great ideas. All the great ideas from our friendly Lynn. If your back-to-school shopping is missing something, then check out all of these products that you saw today. Visit our homepage. Please go to coloradoandco.com. That's coloradoandco.com, and click on the Living tab. Now, we're going to recap all of these great items a little bit later in the show from our friends at Miller Weiner Communications. They paid for the segment. Okay, right after the break, how one